All right, here we go. So let's just start looking around. So we are actually getting something interesting right now. Um, so we have maybe we're gonna get a reaction off of this uh, inversion to the downside. We're above every single true open, right? Look at this. You can see we're above. Right now we are above every single true open. So that makes me by default bearish. Um, yeah. So we're delivering from, we have a breaker here. So this is a 15-minute breaker. It's a pretty strong breaker as well. So I'm not opposed to looking for, or seeing if we get a sell off of this. Yeah, we're getting a 1 minute change in state to the downside now. We swept out the high. So we're above all the true opens. I did just get on the charts though. I think we gotta be careful in that sense. Good morning, Snowman. Yeah, I hate when right when I get on the charts, it's like maybe there could be something, but so I'm probably not gonna take it for that anything yet for that reason, but I'm gonna watch this. We're gonna see how the market responds to this. Not, but like I said, I think I gotta just focus on self control here. I literally just got on the charts, but we are above every single true open, and yeah, you know what? I'm gonna try and lock in and put my AirPods away. Yeah, so okay, we should probably do top down analysis. I mean, obviously, but um, yeah. But I am acknowledging that maybe we are gonna get a retracement. So okay, let's just start with top down analysis. So first, actually, we gotta check for news. Let's just do everything we're supposed to do. Let's check for news. Okay, we had news at 8:30, so that already came out. So let's start to the screen. Yeah, like sometimes you just get on the chart, you might see something. It's like, wait, hold up, is that really something, or is that just my brain trying to go crazy on me? You know what I'm saying? It's probably the second one. So I'm just gonna chill out and then let myself kind of just load into the charts here. There's no need to rush. I can just load. I can start. My brain can just start to slowly load into the charts. I don't need to jump into anything like too fast. So okay, so let's do top down analysis. So Jake General. So okay, we had this SMT here. Hey, what up, Luke? How's it going? We're starting out with top down analysis. I just got on the charts. So we had a bullish SMT here. That is a big reason for this move higher. As I said in my journal, oh, you can't see my screen. But as I said in my journal from earlier, I don't know where I put it. I think I put it in weekly profile. We got We went below the true month open, the true week open, midnight. We swept out lows with SMT. So that's a big reason for, let me switch the screen so you can see this move higher, right? We got SMT. So from a weekly profile standpoint, actually now that I'm looking at it, from a weekly profile standpoint, this is probably going to be whatever it's called, classic expansion week to the upside, because drawing liquidity is probably these low resistance highs. Yeah, man, we're just going to lock in, do our absolute best. Yeah, this is a partial previous month's low SMT. So bang, swept out the low. So I see right now, I see this as a weekly profile of a bullish classic expansion week, because we have this these low resistance highs up here, and we swept out these lows. So that's kind of what I'm thinking so far for Thursday and Friday. So I'm expecting today and tomorrow to probably continue. That's what I'd say. So once again, right, if I go to lower time frame, oh, I did not want to do 4 minute, I meant 4 hour. And I'm gonna get rid of this. So actually I want this for now. So we were below true month open and true week open. And so this is what I mean when I say this is how you identify manipulation, is using true opens. So oh, that's not what I meant. I meant true month open. So true month open, true week open. So you see how the manipulation occurred at the bottom there? So I'm expecting continuation to the upside. So yeah, good thing I did not jump in the charts too soon. And then we had midnight of this day that we took out. Yeah, we went below midnight of this day right here. Midnight and then 13:30. So we went below all the true opens. This is, once again, this is just a tool. True opens are just a tool to identify, okay, where was the true manipulation. Okay, so partial previous month's low SMT. So yeah, I'm expecting us. Whoops. And then what was the higher time frame PD rate? Let's get rid of the Dodge indicator for a second. We had I think it was a 4-hour reclaimed gap, or a daily gap. Oh, it was a daily one, huh? Yeah, it was this daily reclaimed gap, supercharged gap, because we've used it once, twice, 3 times. And if you guys don't know, it's just supercharged is just reclaimed more than once. I just made it made a name to describe it, because to me they're more they're stronger. Supercharged for value gap. So this is kind of what I'm seeing. I'm expecting classic expansion week. Market maker buy model with the drawn liquidity being low resistance highs up here. So okay, so I'm liking this top down analysis so far. 1 hour change in state. We can project this out. And then we get 4 projections right at those low resistance highs. So that's probably what's going to happen. That's what I'm expecting. So like accumulation, like this whole thing is accumulation. Then this is manipulation. Then OTE got tapped there. I'm liking this a lot, actually. So expecting a classic expansion week weekly profile. So in the short term, we need to draw up to 2 projections, which is true month open. So I'm really trying to take things seriously, guys. I really am. It's not easy. Like, it is so not easy. But I'm trying. So top down, right? Took out midnight. Took out. You see what I'm saying? So expecting classic expansion week. Weekly profile. Okay. Bang. Bang. Okay, let's draw out this, I need to move these. Buy model here, so the curves, right, the left-hand side of the curve, and then the right-hand side of the curve. It's kind of what I'm seeing, guys, personally. But what do you guys think? Let me know. So this low occurred on Tuesday, which is exactly what you would expect. So yeah, I like this a lot. Seems pretty obvious to me. Whoops. So I'm just going to put in my journal that I'm anticipating classic expansion week to continue to the upside for the rest of this week, with the drawn liquidity being this Tuesday, November 4th high. Here, I'll show this little idea here. So we probably need to go to 2 projections and then retrace, and then maybe we go up from there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, just an idea. So there's my top-down analysis. Oh, let's put the supercharged emoji. Boom. Okay. Bro, why does it do that? Okay. So yeah. So yeah, still anticipating possible classic expansion week. So okay, from here, let's drop down to the lower time frame, and yeah, bias for me will be bullish. So what does that mean? Well, let's see if this low took out true opens. If so, we could anticipate London to have made the low of the day. So let's go down to that, look at it. Let's see here. Um, let's get out my ghost in the machine indicator. So we had midnight here. We had 1:30 here. So we had 1:30. Yeah, so I think this on its own is its own buy model. So 1 hour gap here. Okay, let's drop down. Let's get rid of this stuff because we already took a screenshot. So whoops. So 1 hour gap here. We kind of tap consequent encroachment of that. So okay, so 1 hour gap. We take out all the true opens. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's go ghost in the machine. We had midnight here. So we had midnight. We had 1:30. And then we had 3:22. Actually, we want to use the next cycle one. What's the next one? Because manipulation happened in Q4 for some reason. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Manipulation happened in Q4. Okay. So, with all of that in place, let's see if we had an SMT at the low. We did. So we have SMT at the low. Okay. So I'm expecting continuation to the upside. I'm expecting London reversal, New York continuation. We had a SMT with Asia low with London low. So session SMT and session sweep. So, alright. So yeah. So from a daily profile perspective, I'm anticipating London reversal, New York continuation. We take out all the true opens. What happened to my ghost in the machine? Bruh. Oh my. Okay. Must have accidentally deleted it. I need to favorite that. All these strategies are so old. Oh, you can't see my screen. Shoot, bro. I've been doing this whole entire analysis you guys couldn't see. Alright. So I favorited that. So yeah, anticipating yeah, it looks like A, D, anticipating whatever it's called. London reversal, New York continuation, daily profile. We could project this out. So now we have a 5-minute gap here. So I might take a 30-second change of state to the upside out of that. So from a daily profile perspective, okay, so we have this 5-minute gap. I think 30-second change of state off of this is going to be nice. Oh, we just got it. Okay, if we retest, dang, dude, we got it. Oh, we missed it. We got it however many minutes ago. We got it a minute ago. We got it literally 1 minute ago. So we could enter on the retest, maybe. I think that would be pretty clean, right? This will also be a 2022 model, right? Don't you think? So maybe we enter on the retest here. So we could project this out. Yeah, I like this. Let's just go ahead and try this. $1.4. So that's gonna be. So yeah, I'm gonna put a limit order there for 1.4. So that's 21. $2.13. Well, we're just gonna go straight up. We might need to enter on an inversion. This inversion of this. Oh, we got a 2-minute inversion. It's probably best just to wait for the retracement. Okay, we're getting it. Okay, I have a limit order placed there. So, place the limit order. Placing the limit order here as well for 21. So I'm going to need to wait for it to get hit on there to put the stop. So I'll take this up 4 projections. And then maybe, whoops. And then maybe 8 projection, or then maybe 7. Yeah. Also a 2022 model, you know. So we'll see. No, are you kidding me, bro? You gotta be kidding me. No shot. No shot. Well, you know what, actually? No, 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 no. This is actually fine. Because now if we come down to low, it'll be inducement. You know what? What time is it? 7:23. Okay, I want this to occur at 369 time. Goes to the machine. We just made the true open. So 9:23, is that a 369 time? So we need to wait for 9:24. So 1 minute from now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
John Liquidity should be to the upside. Okay, we could go break even here. So let's go break even. Because that's amazing displacement. We should not come back. Or maybe let's just hold it, because I don't know what's going on with this. Why are we... We'll see. I'll go break even if we can go up to 2 projections. That should be fine break even, honestly. Don't you think, guys? Don't you think break even here makes sense? So I'll go break even here. I think break even here makes sense, personally, but I don't know. Why is my computer freezing? Yeah, let's just go break even here. We could pyramid. We could pyramid at this gap, but I'm not going to. It's a note for the future. Like, if I ever take a trade like this again, I could pyramid at that gap. Because I'm already at break even, so I can do another unit of risk here. Does that make sense? And then I will be back to 800 risk. This should be propulsion block here.
Order filled.
Not break evens.
Stop filled.
Okay, 2-minute walk. You know what we'll probably do is we'll probably come down to the sniper entry right here. So short 2-minute walk, and I'll come back because I think we will get a inversion out of this. So I want to be ready for that. Oh, actually, no, this is a rare case where market opens right here. So I think we just got to be patient. This will be the sniper model right here. So I want to see us tap the sniper model entry. So this is going to probably play out because this will be an inducement. So bang. Maybe let's just look and see if there's SMT or anything like that. Yeah, we're getting SMT with the YM with this low. Alright, prepare to take this. Dude, never mind. Alright, I'm going on the 2-minute walk, because what was that? Still bullish. This should be a Judas win. Alright. I'm making it short because I think there's a ton of opportunity right now, so I want to be prepared if we get something else. So still bullish. I think it's London reversal New York continuation daily profile. With that in mind, I still think we're gonna go higher. We're utilizing this Reaper gap here, so this is a much more obvious Reaper gap than yesterday. I would not mind. Oh, where's the first percent for value gap? Where is it? We gotta clean this up. No first percent for value gap. We have equal highs delivering from the Reaper. Do we get SMT? We got SMT. The reason I say this is a Reaper is because it's obviously a Reaper, right? This breaker. Actually, this one's more obvious. We swapped out the low. We just got a 15-second inversion off of this. I'm going to take this on the leap. I guess now it's failing. Still bullish. We're getting SMT. I'm not going to compromise the fact that I'm bullish. We just took, what is this, 7:30? That's midnight. That's 9:22. Oh, 7:30 is all the way down there. So we might need to go take 7:30, which would be a pretty deep retracement, but that may be what's needed. And then with that in mind, actually, guys, we might need to retrace to 5-minute change in state here, and then we'll go up from there. So this is a very simple way to take a trade today. Yeah, I say I think this is hard to go wrong. If we got this 5-minute change in state retest, I would say this will be hard to go wrong here. But then again, we might just react off of this Reaper because the 7:30 is pretty low. This is like, if all else fails, I'm anticipating this 5-minute change in state to hold. You get what I'm saying? Because it's below 7:30. But I could definitely see us utilizing this Reaper gap to continue higher. We definitely took the true opens. So what is this, a 5-minute Reaper? So I like 30-second change in state off of this. Yeah, I like 30-second change in state off of this. Just kind of depends. What time is it? No, oh, it's 9:36. It's 9:36. It's a very important time, guys. It's 9:36. Oh, wait, it's only 9:35, actually. Just kidding, it's only 9:35. Still, though, I still like this. Alright, well, we didn't get a good closure. So, okay. Never mind. I'm still bullish. I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting. 15-minute gap down there. We could go for 1-minute change in state. Retest here. Yeah, there's a 15-minute. I kind of like this. 0.8. It's 12. We did not get that. We did not get that closure. So this will be 9:36 if we get this. It'll be a 15-minute for VIA gap, 1 minute change in state to the upside, and yeah, if this occurs, it'll be at 9:36. So I'll probably take this if it occurs because we do have bullish SMT. So we got 6 seconds. Let's see if this occurs. No. Okay, it did not occur. But still, I guess this 1 minute change of state, if this occurs here, would be not bad at all. So 9:36. I guess the 30-second, we tapped the 30-second change of state at 9:36. Ooh, now it's making a little bit of sense because we tapped this 30-second change in state at 9:36 off of the Reaper. I don't know if I'm liking this right now. It's not obvious. I want to see something obvious. Still, this is only a 1 minute Reaper. Where's the first percent for value gap? Do we got that yet? we're definitely bullish. Just trying to figure out. Or no, we have SMT here. No first percent for value gap, huh? Oh, we got a tiny one right there. Wait, but it might not hold yet. We don't know. We don't know if that's gonna hold. I'm not bearish here. Unless we need to come down to this change in state. In that case, then maybe. Yeah, I guess that's possible. We might need to come down. It's only 9:30. We could definitely come down to the change in state before expansion. You know what? I think this is just such a nice trade that we should just put a limit order at that 5-minute change in state. I think this is hard to go wrong here. But then again, I could definitely see us utilizing this breaker and have us go higher. We're getting a bearish S&T. So, something to consider. We have equal highs. We have a 3-minute rejection block above those equal highs. We are forming SMT. We could take this as a phoenix. Be 90-minute SMT, I think. Yeah. But I'm not bearish. That's the issue. I'm not bearish. I'm bullish. So the only reason I'd want to take a short is because we might need to come down and tap that change in state there. We are retesting this 1-minute change in state here, and this is off of a 15-minute gap. So yeah, I'm not bearish, guys. I'm not gonna short. I think we'll go higher here. So this is a 1-minute change in state off of the 15-minute BPR. I think price action has formed pretty nicely. So if we get a, yeah, we have SMT. If we get a retest of this one final time, I'm gonna probably take this. We are inversing this gap. And we do have SMT. Oh, I like this Phoenix model here. Wait, this is nice. Okay, I'm going to put a limit order at that rejection block. If we get this, this is going to be like the craziest trade of my life. It'll be below this true open. Should I take this? I'm not going to do full-size risk on it, but I'm going to take this. So if we get a retest of this 1-minute rejection block, I'm going to take this. This might be the craziest trade of my life, guys. So, 21. So I'm going to do 21.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, never mind, I got stopped out. So it was just a little partial loss there. Dang, dude. I mean, it could have played out. So now we swapped out the low again. We have stacked SMTs. So, still delivering from this Reaper gap. I'm trying to know what the best thing to do here is. Okay, I'm gonna go on a 2-minute walk. Alright, we're getting the first presented for ViGap here. 25,600. Me as well, bro. I think we're gonna go up. So, if we can get the first presented for ViGap here, we have stacked SMTs. Man, it really doesn't want to form the first presented for ViGap, huh? Oh, it did. It formed it. It formed it. We got the first presented for ViGap. Okay, so we got stacked SMTs with this first presented for ViGap. I have to adjust the daily loss limit. So, okay. Oh, are we gonna? I think maybe we'll respect it still. I don't know. So it never actually got the trade. Never actually the Phoenix trade never actually got executed on my top steps. Okay, 15-second change and stay up off of this first presented for ViGap. It's gonna be nice if we get this. We just took the true open. Okay, if we get this, what is this? 0.8? We might need to go down to this change in state here. This might not actually be that obvious. I think I'll just chill. Reason being is because we'll get the change in state, but it's a change in state occurring inside of accumulation. So I don't know. I'm not gonna take it. If this works, then that's kind of annoying because I kind of knew that it could, but also I think I would rather see us come down and manipulate into the change in state below 730. Yeah. So now we have equal highs. Seems like we're forming bearish SMT with this. Okay, maybe we're going to take Phoenix again. See if this rejects price. Nope. Yeah, because drawing liquidity's higher. See, told you. I was bullish, dude. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best. Gotta plug in my laptop. So I took a loss with that Phoenix, but it was like barely a half size loss. So, because I risked less on it. And also, it didn't get executed on my top steps. So, okay, we're getting an inversion to the downside here. What do you guys think about this? 1 minute inversion. I'm not going to take it because I'm not bearish. First present for value gap. Oh, we just tapped it. 15-second change of state. Dude. I'm entering this. If we tap this. If we tap the change in state.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my. Are you serious? Okay, come on. First strike, come on, deliver. Come on. I'm going to take this 4 projections up here. Once again, we have stacked bullish S&Ts still. So, expecting first strike to deliver. Dude, my chart is so messy right now. It's not even funny. Okay, come on. If we break that high, I'm gonna go break even. If we break that high, I'm gonna go break even. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. So I'm going break even. Hopefully this goes up. But it needs to go up right now. Dog, you're kidding, bro. Go up. Go up. Up. Go up.
Order filled.
What? I gotta stop the break even on Top Step, bro. What? No way. Oh my. Say what? Say. I gotta stop the break even on Top Step. So. But on this Tradeify account, I did not stop that break even. How confusing is that, bro? Bro, if this hits, I'm counting it as a win because the Tradeify account took the win. The whatever account took the win, and this one took the break even. So if this hits, I'm counting it as a win because literally the Tradeify account it took it as a win. So if this hits, I'm counting it as a win. No, D-Trader, bro. D-Trader, bro. That's not how we do this. Oh. Are we banking? Are we banking? Are we banking? Are we banking? Let's go. Let's go. First strike, man. First strike. First strike. First strike. First strike, baby. First strike. I hate break even. I don't think you should go break even unless it's like we break this high or something like that. Then you can go break even. If we break this high, I should have done that, dude. I should have done that. I should have only gone break even if we took this high, bro. But guys, how did I know we were going to go up? How did I know? Because we have stacked SMTs, accumulation, manipulation at the low. You're in this with me? Let's go, bro. Let's go. 4 projections, man. I think 4 projections at this point. At this point, I think 4 projections is pretty reasonable. So... Yo, come on, bro. Alright, we'll see. We might get break even here on the Tradeify, and that is completely okay. That's completely okay. But maybe not. Should I leave it to go for 7 projections on Tradeify? Dude, I think it'd be kind of nice to hit a 7R. Because here's the thing. It's only on that one account now, so... Once again, guys, you guys saw me try and get in on that at the low. You guys saw me try and get in. We actually... Oh my gosh, you know what? You know what I did that I messed up? I tried to get in at the rejection block... But that was the incorrect decision to get in on the rejection block because we needed to form another SMT with ES here. Oh my gosh. That was an incorrect decision, guys. Because look. We got another SMT with ES, meaning this was Dark Phoenix. You see what I'm saying? We got 2 SMTs. We needed another SMT with ES, so it was Dark Phoenix. So... Yeah, this was Dark Phoenix here. You see that? Freak, dude. Alright, this price action is crap. This price action is crap. So we better go up now. Hey, that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. All right. All right. Let's freaking go. Top Step, you suck, bro. Top Step, you suck. Why'd you have to stop me at a break even, Top Step? I didn't consent to that, bro. Consent. Okay, that was the wrong word. You get what I'm trying to say, bro. I did not. I wanted to have my stop loss where it was on Tradeify. Why did I get stopped out on Top Step and not Tradeify? Explain that to me. Explain that to me. Alright, come on. Let's go for projections here. Let's go. We also, by the way, we tapped the sniper entry. So we went 2 OTE. Now we're going for projections. So I think it could play out. I definitely do. Once again, I'm not bearish. I'm not bearish. There's a reason I'm taking longs right now. I'm not bearish. People keep trying to short. Hey, thanks, Javier. But it didn't get executed on the Top Step, which is stupid. And we might get break even. Like I know, guys. I know price action's not ideal, but I know the bias. That's the thing. I know the bias, and I know my first strike model will work, even in these weird conditions. So, okay, so okay, probably gonna get stopped at break even. Okay, I'm gonna trail my stop to that low. Just because, yeah, like, we should not break that low anymore. We should not break that low. Sometimes you just make decisions because of, you know, the way the market is moving. And in this case, I trailed my stop to the low because I don't want to see us come back down. I don't want to see us tap that low again. That'd be a huge red flag. So we got to go up now. Come on, come on. 4 projections. Are we going to go there? Alright, we're almost there. I need to put a limit order there. What's the take profit? I need 25,333.
Stop filled.
The heck? Alright. Price action's being dumb. So I'm gonna go on a 2-minute walk. So I still have, since that was a win.
The market is open.
Since that was a win, I still have another trade. So I'm gonna go on a 2-minute walk. So you guys could definitely make the argument like, yo, you're over trading, blah blah blah. I have loss limits, so I have unlimited break evens and wins. So I don't think so. I think I'm fine. And you guys might be saying, oh, but you took a loss, dude. This was like a 1/3 size loss because I took it as a Phoenix, and it almost worked out too. So no, I'm not. I'm fine. So now I want to see us come down to this 5-minute change in state here. Man, I should have just targeted the second projection. I should have just targeted the second, but it's okay. So now, once again, if we came down here, oh baby, I'm getting in that high time frame trade. That's gonna be. We could maybe go for something crazy. Like, we could probably get, if we come down here, we could probably get a low time frame change in state out of this. We'll be below every single true open. We could probably get like a 10R off of this 5-minute change in state down here, because this will be a giant accumulation range, and then manipulation. Once again, key is understanding the daily profile. That's a huge key, is understanding London low of the day, New York continuation, right? So I am very much looking to take a low time frame continuation trade here. Very much so. So I'm still watching. And guys, one thing I'm realizing is you just got to execute opportunities. Like trading, you're going to lose, you're going to win. Just execute the opportunities that you like and then accept the outcome. But I think one thing I'm realizing is I don't need to do one trade a day. I can do a whole bunch of trades a day as long as they're all disciplined opportunities. And that's what I've been doing, right? So I'm not, as long as I have the daily loss limit, I'm chilling. That's something I'm learning about myself, right? It might be different for everyone else, but for me, as long as I have that daily loss limit, I'm chilling. It's because I think the more opportunities that I can take, the better. So I still think we will go higher. I still think market is bullish. And so because of that, I want to see us eventually move back up. We do have a 15-minute change in state here. So, what is this? Is it a 4-hour gap? So yeah, it's a 4-hour gap. This right here is a nice little balanced price range. 15-minute change in state, guys. I don't mind this at all. I don't mind it. So if we come down here, I'll probably look to take a long off of this order block. Oh, you know what would be really nice is stat map. Let's check stat map. Because if we come down and it's like a 4-hour manipulation, statistical manipulation. Yeah, look, we went to the daily statistical manipulation. Green flag for sure. Wait, no. Whoops, sorry. That's the bullish the bearish manipulation. Whoops, not the bullish. Okay. What does the 4-hour look like? So we'd be at the 4-hour statistical distribution. How does New York session look? Yeah, we could definitely get Phoenix again. But we might need to go after 730. Not super clear here. We might need to go after 730. Yeah, I think longs are drained right now. We still have those SMTs, those stacked SMTs. I think longs are drained. Meaning, like, we could go up from here. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, stacked SMTs. Longs have been completely wrecked. And now, now we just took midnight. Okay. I think we'll get another long, honestly. Oh my gosh. I should have known Dark Phoenix was going to be down there because guess what? That was off the end dog. Oh my gosh. That makes a lot of sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. Now we're back testing the first minute for value gap again. So I want to see us go back up off of the first minute for value gap here. And we just souped midnight. It's a 5-minute. Wait, guys, what about this rejection block? This rejection block off of the end dog. What do you guys think about this? We have the stack, so it's a Phoenix type B. We're below the true opens. Okay, I'm curious. Guys, this could be Phoenix. Something to consider. This could definitely be Phoenix. Looks like it already got a reaction. I'm going to wait for a change in state off of this. So if we get a 15-second change in state off of this, that's what I would need to take. Yeah, it's complicated. I took about a 1 hour win and about a 1/3 hour loss. Overnight gap. Oh yeah, we have a giant RTH to the. Whoa, why is there such a big RTH, dude? Holy. No, I don't think we'll fill the RTH because it's too big. It's too big. If it's too big, it's not gonna. I don't think we'll fill it. If it's too big, we usually don't fill it. Right. See, like when we have a big one, we don't fill it right away. I don't think we're gonna fill it. I think we're gonna go up. It's too big. It's too fat. In my opinion. If it's too fat, it doesn't get filled. Because why does that make sense? Because if it's expanding that much, it means there's a reason. And if there's a reason, then drawing liquidity is super strong to the upside. Okay, this Phoenix could work. I don't feel like taking it unless we get change of state off of it, but it could work. Maybe I should be considering taking it. Honestly, maybe I should be considering taking it because this could actually work out. We got stacked SMTs with this rejection block below the true opens. Maybe I take Phoenix 0. You know how sick it would be if Phoenix 0 played out? Okay, guys, I think we're going to go for Phoenix 0 here. We're going to take a Phoenix 0. I might be so stupid for this, but we're going to take a Phoenix 0. I might be so stupid for this. I'm going to take a Phoenix 0. So if we come down, soup this low into the midpoint of the rejection block, I'm going to take it. I might be so stupid for this. I might be so stupid for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna try if we come down. So we're gonna be in heavy if it goes down there. I might be in on the max risk. If it comes down to the rejection block, I'm gonna be in on my max risk. Dang, bro. We are getting change state off of that. Okay. So the Phoenix is playing out the normal one. Dude, we could have taken this. Oh my gosh. We could have taken it. Bro. Okay, off of this breaker, if we come down on this breaker and we get 15-second change state off of it, because it also will be aligned with the first presented gap. If we come down, bro, we could have taken this. If we come down, great. I guess it's not worth it. I guess it's not worth it anymore. Dang it. You know how sick it would be if we caught this? Because I knew that this could be a Phoenix. I called it. I said that we might get Phoenix off of it. Dang it. So 1 minute breaker. Once again, this was below all the true opens. Wait, OB, PB, We could get propulsion block trade. I really like true opens. It's super helpful to be able to identify. Yeah, guys. Stacked SMTs, high resistant liquidity. Let's freaking take this propulsion block. OB, PB. It'll be below the true opens. Let's take it, man. I think you just got... In life, you got to take risks, dude. You got to take risks. If we come down, tap... I guess it's a propulsion block right here. This is OB, this is PB. So if we get a 15-second change of state back up... Or this might be a 15-second 2022 model. Oh, looks like we're getting displacement off this gap. Yeah, it is choppy. I was bullish too. I don't know. I kind of feel like this is a 2022 model to the upside. We just took the true open with we have stacked SMTs there. We have another. We're diverging with. You could make the case for either side, honestly. I don't know. I'm bullish. I think I'm bullish. This is OB. This is PB. I want to enter this real quick. Me too. I think we're bullish too. Okay, I'm not taking it because I can't calculate the risk that fast. And I don't think it's that good, honestly. Wow, it's playing out now, huh? Oh my gosh. No way. I could have taken it. Oh. I just could not figure out the risk that fast. I don't know. I could have seen that failing, honestly. Alright. I'm getting out. I'm going on a walk. my gosh. I think we're going to go up. Dude, we called the Phoenix model. We hesitated. We should have taken it. Yeah, my bias was right because main reason my bias was right was because I did the high time frame analysis. Guys, this hit fourth projection. I'm not gonna lie. This hit the fourth projection. The market maker buy model. Well, I guess we could go to the seventh. Remember, I guess we have this higher time frame model that is playing out, and that's yeah, we might wait. What was that higher time frame model that I was looking at? We hit 4 projections. Now we're gonna possibly hit. Wait, now we gotta look at this. Oh yeah. So I was looking at the 1 hour. So this 1 hour or this 15-minute model actually. Now I'm actually not sure. What was it? 30-minute? 1 hour? I think it was the 1 hour. Oh yeah, it was the 1 hour. So I was looking to see. So yeah, 2 projections of this puts us here. So okay, so we actually could continue through this. Yeah. Dang it, dude. Phoenix actually was really nice, and I should have taken it. Maybe if we inverse this. If we inverse this, we could take this up to 2 projections. Ugh, but I wanted to get in at the rejection block. I wanted to get in at the 1 minute rejection block. You guys saw me say I was thinking about taking that. I was bullish too. I took a long trade, but we got a deep 10 AM PO3 for no reason. Yeah. Like, I think we will go up to the 7th projection, but it's a matter of, like, are we going to go there right now, or are we going to backtest the 15-minute change in state and then go there? It's a question, you know? It's a question I have. I'm not super sure. We have a 1 hour breaker with decent signature, so we might need to retrace a little bit more off of this breaker and then go higher. It's a 15-minute breaker. Once again, though, if the bias is bullish, it could just ignore this, which is very possible. I don't know, guys. I think this is nice. I might take this, honestly. 15-minute breaker, 1 minute change. I know it's market's bullish, but I might take this. But it's just a random time. I don't know. Yeah, the issue is I'm bullish. Yeah, it kind of seems like a consolidation-ish type of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. Even though I'm bullish, I'm not convinced that we're going to go up right away. Should I take this? Yeah, I should probably take this. So, or I could look for a low time frame thing off of it. That might be better. Oh, there we go. We got a reaction. Yeah, 15-second change state off of this might be the move.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in.
Order filled.
So stop is going to be at the high. I just think we're going to just fall back in this range. Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
Bro. I'm done for the day, bro.
Stop filled.
I need to have more patience. Frick. Alright. We will journal all the trades. We will journal all of them. That last one was not good. Dang it. I'm just gonna end the stream, guys. I'm trying. I am really trying. What I might need to do is to make it so it's only one loss max per New York session. Because I don't know. I can like I feel like after that first initial loss, it's hard to refrain from taking the trades that are not as good, which is a reason to basically say, okay, I should just only do one loss max per New York session. And guys, I'm really trying. And I'm not trying to make the bad decisions. I'm trying, but I do think it's just a learning process. So I'm gonna probably switch it back to that, because that's what initially was supposed to be. But then allow myself to do the other trade. I have allotted times. So when the one other trade allowed for the time, from any time between I'll do one other trade allowed anytime between Asia, London, pre-New York, and then post-New York. One other loss max. So that way my mind is always reset, and yeah, I think that's the move. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm not ever giving up. I'm just trying to understand what it is I should be doing here. Also, we might be getting a propulsion block down. Then again, I honestly guess the market's not bearish. It's not even worth looking at, actually. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna figure out the correct thing to do, and I think it's just one loss max. I think that one loss max in New York, one loss max unlimited break evens and wins in New York, one loss max unlimited break evens and wins for London session, Asia session, and PM. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out, guys. One day at a time. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.